Hey there, it's time for some exciting news. Remember the buzz around the Nothing Phone 1? Well, get ready because the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2 is just around the corner. Let's dive into what we know so far. When the Nothing Phone 1 was unveiled in July 2022, it turned heads with this unique light display on the back. The design was truly distinct, setting it apart from its competitors. However, some felt that the software lacked notable differentiating features. But fear not, because Carl Pei, the co-founder and ex-CEO of OnePlus, is back in action, and he's bringing us the Nothing Phone 2. Although we haven't seen official images yet, leaked renders have given us a glimpse of the phone's design. At first glance, it might seem similar to its predecessor, the Nothing Phone 1, but upon closer inspection, you'll notice subtle modifications that enhance the overall experience. The rounded edges, inspired by the Samsung Galaxy S23, promise a more comfortable grip, unlike the sharp edges of the previous model. And let's not forget about the transparent back design that showcases the internal components. In the Nothing Phone 2, the LEDs surrounding the wireless charging coil and the dual camera arrangement have undergone some changes. Instead of a single LED strip, they are now fragmented into multiple smaller LEDs, adding a touch of distinctiveness to the device. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 2 is set to impress. It will be powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, delivering an exceptional performance boost over its predecessor. With faster app launches and an impressive 80% overall performance improvement, this phone is ready to take things to the next level. Plus, the upgraded image signal processor will enhance the camera capabilities, capturing 4,000 times more camera data than before. As for the price and release date, details are still under wraps. However, given the brand's previous pricing strategies, we can expect the Nothing Phone 2 to be priced around $500 or even lower. And mark your calendars for the summer season, because that's when the grand unveiling is expected to take place. Exciting times lie ahead, my friends. Stay tuned for more updates on the Nothing Phone 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends who are just as thrilled about this upcoming device. And if you want to stay in the loop, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, peace out.